why my tub look like somebody fought a mechanic in here? Because let me tell y'all something. Bathroom cleaners are one of the biggest scams in the cleaning aisle. You walk in Walmart, you thinking that you about to spend $3, right? Next thing you know, your cart got bathroom cleaner, tub spray, towel spray, glass cleaner, mold remover, and some random foam in purple bottle. Now you done spent $42 for soap and water with good marketing. And don't let them commercials fool you. They be spraying it on a tub that was already clean. I tried one of them expensive sprays one time. Baby, I sprayed it, waited, rubbed, and the tub still looked like it needed some prayers. You ever clean your tub and still feel like it ain't clean? Like you wipe it, but the soap scum's just sitting there like I live here now? And the worst part, all them products under the sink, half empty bottles, different sprays for every surface of the house, kitchen spray, bathroom spray, towel spray, glass spray. At this point, the cabinets just look like cleaning supplies museum. But my great grandmother, baby, she didn't have all that. She had about 3 ingredients in a bucket of faith. And that bathroom used to be so clean you could practically see your reflection in the tub. One day I said, why am I buying all these expensive stuff when the old school ways work better? Now I ain't gonna tell y'all the exact measurements in this video because that's inside my country girl cleaning book in my bio. But let me show you the magic. Your first ingredient is gonna be that good blue old Dawn or knockoff brand dish soap. That's what's gonna cut the grease. Second is gonna be some vinegar. Now don't make that face. Your nose might get offended, but your bathtub gonna be shining like church shoes on a Sunday morning. Then we're gonna add a little something extra that's gonna help break down all that gunk stuck to your tub walls. You want to mix it together real gentle. Don't shake it like a rapper in a music video. Just swirl it. And I promise y'all, it's gonna melt that soap scum, and y'all gonna see like, dang, this ain't magic. That's chemistry, baby. Now look at my tub. You can't tell me this don't look brand new. My tub be so clean sometimes. I just look down and see my own reflection like, dang, girl, you still fine. And the best part, this stuff cost me pennies to make. Meanwhile, these companies selling y'all bottles for $7, $8, $9, and ingredients be the same stuff in your kitchen. Grandma's been making these for decades. We just forgot. And if you want the exact recipe and measurements, like I said and told y'all before, it's inside my cleaning book. The link is gonna be in that bio. And if you grew up with a mama or a grandma that made their own cleaning stuff, go ahead and comment tub in the comments so I know who my people are, because baby, country girls been saving money long before inflation showed up. Baby, this tub's so clean right now, if I drop an earring in it, I might just leave it because I know it ain't gonna catch on to nothing. And you know what's crazy? People who think that homemade cleaners don't work, baby, this stuff is cutting through soap scum, body oil, conditioner, hair grease, everything but bad decisions. And don't lie, some of y'all tubs right now look like a science project. Bottle of shampoo lying sideways, that loofah from 2018 still hanging in the corner. Yeah, I'm talking about one thing about me, I just can't stand no dirty house. And if you like real cleaning hacks, saving money, and learning how to make your own stuff instead of buying everything from the store, go ahead and follow me, because baby, we clean houses the country girl way over here. Now excuse me, I'm about to go clean up the rest of this bathroom before my little sperm goblin wake up and he mess up my house again.